Hello and welcome to Mocha Dishes. Today I want to show you guys my favorite fruit mixture. I start off by washing all my fruit. I'm using a mixture of watermelon, pineapple, and cantaloupe. I then use this nifty tool. We just press it in and twist it until we reach the end of the fruit, and it should come out like this.
Gathering brightly colored leaves in a forest of Canada.
I then do the same thing with my cantaloupe.
Under blue skies of Tunisia. Sweeping out his parents' shop on a side street.
And again with my pineapple. And then by the end of it, I have a really delicious fruit mixture that looks like this.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Bye.
Sing, children of the world, come together and hear the call. Sing, children of the world, Islam will unite us all.